Last week, the atmosphere did not just support severe weather, it built a machine. On March 10th, the Storm Prediction Center upgraded parts of northern and central Illinois into northwest Indiana to a moderate risk for severe weather before storms even fired. That meant the ingredients were already coming together for something bigger, a rare level 4 out of 5 tornado setup, explosive supercells, giant hail, and the potential for strong tornadoes. And then it happened. One storm near Kankakee, Illinois turned into a monster. It produced tornadoes, destructive hail, and a damage path that pushed from southern Kankakee through Aroma Park, across the state line, into Lake Village and Roselawn, Indiana. The National Weather Service preliminarily rated that tornado an EF-3 with peak winds near 150 miles per hour. It stayed on the ground for about 36.6 miles, and media reports citing the NWS survey say it lasted roughly 81 minutes. 2 people were killed in Lake Village, and the hail with that same storm was absolutely unreal. Not golf ball hail, not baseball hail. A hailstone measured 6.10 inches in Kankakee, Illinois. The National Weather Service says it could become a new Illinois state record, if verified, smashing the previous record of 4.75 inches. That same supercell also dropped hail ranging from 3 inches to locally 5 inches. Imagine a storm throwing ice the size of a grapefruit while spinning up violent tornadoes at the same time. The setup that day was exactly the kind meteorologists fear. A stalled boundary was draped across the region. Warm, unstable air surged north. Moisture deepened through the evening. Wind shear ramped up hard. In northern Indiana, the environment near the supercell featured about 40 to 50 knots of deep layer shear, and the storm rode the surface-based instability gradient on the warm side of that boundary. In simple terms, the storm stayed isolated, stayed clean, and kept tapping into fuel. That is how you get a long-track destructive supercell, and that was not even the only major tornado of the week. Back on March 6th, Union City, Michigan was hit by a preliminary EF-3 tornado with peak winds of 160 miles per hour. It was on the ground for 3.7 miles, reached 500 yards wide, killed 3 people, injured 12, and became Michigan's earliest EF-3 or stronger tornado on record in a calendar year. The survey says the tornado rapidly intensified near Union Lake, showed multiple vortices, destroyed homes and cottages, and even ripped chunks of ice up from the lake while debris was lofted northeast. A mobile home was thrown 100 yards. Then there was Beggs, Oklahoma. That tornado was rated EF-3 as well, with estimated winds of 135 to 140 miles per hour. It tracked 6.8 miles, grew to 950 yards wide, killed 2 people, and injured 2 more. In just 1 week, multiple states saw true high-end tornado damage, not weak spin-ups, but storms strong enough to destroy homes, kill people, and leave entire communities changed in minutes. That is what made last week so wild. It was not just one tornado. It was a pattern, a sequence, a week where the atmosphere kept reloading, from Oklahoma to Michigan to Illinois and Indiana, producing multiple EF-3 tornadoes, at least 8 deaths across the biggest events, dozens of injuries, and one hailstone in Illinois so large it may rewrite the state record books. If you cover weather, this is the kind of week people remember for years. EF-3 tornadoes, a 6 to 10-inch hailstone, long track damage, nighttime destruction, and communities left digging through debris while the next system was already lining up. For more severe weather coverage, breakdowns, and updates, head to stormscapes.xyz and follow for more.